In this video, I'm going to show you 5 tips and tricks how to color anime boy using alcohol markers. Using the wrong side of your paper. If you are using the glossy part of your paper, you will notice that the pen and color markers is not absorbing by the paper. It's very important to know your paper. So for example, I'm using a COPIC paper that you can only use the right side of it. To know that you are using the right side of your paper, just check which one is not glossy and use that part. Choosing one color and apply it direct to your drawing. It would be better if you choose 3 or more shades of color for the highlight, mid-tone, and core shadow. Applying color in the middle part of your drawing. Always start at the side corner of your drawing because sometimes if you pick the wrong color, you can still easily fix it if you start in the corner. Choosing a color that's not compatible for blending. It's very important to choose the right shades of color and try it first to the scratch paper to make sure that they blend well together. not blending because you think you need the tool for us to blend. For those who doesn't have a marker blender, we can just use the light shades of color and blend it like what I'm doing right now. These are the 5 tips and tricks how to color anime boy, and I hope you found it helpful. So enjoy the final reveal, brothers and sisters. This video is pretty much done, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video.